Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Why We Should Love Sanskrit. So basically I have lowered the video upload frequency because the examination is coming, so that I'll upload 2 videos a month only. So I'll also script the videos so that it will have a greater quality and thing in it, and it will be a little longer than usual. So welcome. Why you should love Sanskrit. Now, another reason why you should love Sanskrit is because of a small grammatical entity that it has, that is the dual, right? So, dual is a number. You have singular and plural in English, that is he and they, but in Sanskrit there is an extra, that is dual, singular, plural, and dual. Now, basically, dual is not the feature or not the unique feature of Sanskrit. You can also find dual in many other languages, but the main thing about Sanskrit is that the dual is a little bit developed. It is also used to indicate the things apart from two eyes, two hands, or something like that. So, basically, in ancient languages, the dual was found very, the dual was popular, but in the modern languages you do not find dual like English and Nepali and Hindi, but in Sanskrit it has been retained from the ancient time. For example, in Russia, or you can say the ancient Russian language, there was dual, but now it is not. So the dual grammatical entity, you know it has been declined with time. So basically that is the thing. Now, what does dual look like in Sanskrit? So let me tell that, right? So the dual look like this. If you say he, then you are gonna say sah. If you say they too, that means dual, then you are gonna say tau. But if you say they, then you're gonna say they. And you can just see that they and they are similar in sound. And maybe they in English is the descendant of they in Sanskrit. So basically that is the thing. Now it also have verb forms. For example, English only have 2 or 3 verb form for a single verb. For example, five, right? Five verb form: go, going, goes, went, right? So these are this. But the thing is that in Sanskrit there are several verb form, and even the numbers are indicated by the verb only. So for example, if you are going to say he goes, then you say sahyati, right? So that is the thing. And if you say they two go, then you're going to say to yata. But if you want to say they go, then you say te yanti. So basically the verb form also depends upon the number. But the speciality in Sanskrit is that it does not show the gender, feminine, neuter, or masculine. It doesn't show the gender, but it shows the number and the person, right? First person, second person, or third person. So basically that is the main thing in Sanskrit. So let me tell the application of this thing, why dual is there in Sanskrit and what extra potential it adds into the language in order to make it a little bit rich. So for example, let us take a condition when you have a wife, or if you are a girl then you have a husband, and you're going to say that you have a home, right? Then you say avayoh griham if you do not have any children, because you are two. But you are going to say asmakam griham, that is our house, if you have children. So the extra dual number adds a potential that you can say avayoh griham if you do not have any children, but asmakam griham if you have any children. So the extra thing is going to be retained by a grammatical entity that Sanskrit has, an extra thing in Sanskrit. So this is just extra potential and more information basically. Thanks for watching.